Hello and welcome to Hand and Gear Designs video on how to put together the Dragon Holding a Wooden Ball kit. Couple quick notes about these kits. They're made out of wood. The wood thickness does vary a little bit, so sometimes they will be a little loose, sometimes they might be a little bit tight. If the wood is a little bit tight, you'll just need to sand it down a bit. Quick trick for that is to get a disposable nail file and just great for getting into the slots, sanding them down. And I do recommend using a glue to hold this together because, again, I usually try to cut the tabs a little bit on the loose side so they slide together. And if it's going to be picked up and handled at all, it will fall apart if it's not glued. I recommend wood glue, but you can use just about any glue. Really quick, so we've got the wooden ball that he's holding and these two glass beads for the eyes. I'm going to just take these off camera so they don't roll around. You've got the feet, the legs, lower jaw, upper jaw, both sides of the body, arms. This is what holds the wings on. And then these are the ribs that go in the front. And this is the order they go in. This will be the top one. This is the bottom one. You'll notice this one is the most narrow. It's the one that fits in between the two legs. So let's start putting this together. Got a little bit of wood glue off camera. I'm just going to start with the main body. Paint a little bit of glue on here. And then put this together like so. Make sure all the tabs and slots line up. Okay. One side, other side. That up. Okay, so now we've got the main body. The next thing I'd recommend is doing the mouthpieces. So you're going to want to start with the lower jaw. And I'm just going to paint some glue right on the top there. This notch goes right there. So I'll slide that back in. And then slide it down onto that tab. This part really does need glue. Same with the upper jaw. It's going to tab right there. It also tabs in to the sides like that. So again, a little glue here to help that stay in. Slide that back there. Make sure it connects there. And there, and there we go. Oops. Yeah, again, the glue right along the top there really helps the mouth stay in place. Okay, so let's do the legs next. So you want to take a leg and a foot. Glue there and there. And then, oops, sorry, okay, so it does, so you want to just put it together like that. To put together the other foot. Paint a little glue on like that. Wood glue doesn't dry super fast, so for the purpose of this video, this might not hold together perfectly, but important thing is just to show you how the pieces go together. And then the feet go into the slots here. I'm just going to put a little glue in the slots. And slide that. So that's one. And whoops. Two. So that. Now I will do the ribs. I'm gonna start with the bottom one. Just get a little glue there. So again, this one's designed to fit here in between the two legs. Next, I will take the next wider one. Put a little glue in the slot there. Put this one above the legs. You can see it has more coverage there. Then arm piece, glue again, and like that. And finally, the top piece, glue, and there. So, jaw, that. All right, let's see. Finally, we'll do the wings. So this little piece here is what holds the wings to the back. So definitely going to use some glue on this. So you'll notice there's one little notch on the back here. That goes there. Should fit flush up against the back. And then wings, glue there, and you'll notice that it's a little bit hot. You got more length here, so orients like this, a little point. So wings there, it goes in an angle. There we go. And the wings should touch the ground along with the feet, help stabilize the dragon. So again, glue, slot, and put that there. Okay, so got the wings. Now for the arms, put a little glue in the slot. And on the front, got the tabs there. So slide that one in like so. Glue here. Second arm, pick him up, and slot that in like so. And then, I don't think I'm gonna glue this in for the video, but the ball should just sit right there. Again, this piece, you know, just again, you can have it loose, you can glue it in. Now, for the eyes. The eyes are gonna rest in these two little divots here. And I'm actually going to switch to a gel super glue just because I find that easier when working with the eye beads. And another little trick is to use a toothpick to align the eye. So I just take the eye, it's a bead, stick the hole of the bead onto the toothpick. Gel glue here. Apply that there and there. And then I just take the bead, place it like so, and if I can show this, but by using the toothpick, I can align the whole of the bead to be the iris. and get him. Ugh. Of course, this doesn't work on camera, but anyway, so again, using toothpick to apply that, and then just so he's looking straight at you. Of course, I dropped the other bead, so here, stick that down, get the eyes so he's looking at you, and then there's the ball. So there we have the dragon holding ball kit. Have fun!